We are going on a cool adventure and we don't know what's in store. Coming out the closet and we're heading out the door. We're going all the way up there. We've now started our path. Look at this beautiful little park. Look at this beautiful little girl. I mean lady, she's now 32, so can't be calling her girl.
What did you say?
What a majestic little bird. If I had some bread, I would give you some, but
Yeah, you can give her gum. Wow, the fog is coming really fast.
the pirates are here.
Oh yeah.
The curse of the Black Pearl begins. We were there. We came all the way down. The penguin looks really out of picture here. She heard me whispering, "Ooh, ears of a fox, wow." Check it out, man. We're up amongst the clouds. Heading over to there, to that peak over there, and then we're done. So now this is here. Oh, gotta watch your step. Just foggy. Oh, it's not fog, it's the clouds. But through the darkness, light will shine. Bam, we should turn around now.
How to sing Phantom of Opera?
What?
We are getting the beef. Got some beef, lettuce, carrot, and I think that is radish.
Yeah. The beef is nice, right?
The pickle dropped in my sock.
I give it a 7.
Where's that 3 points?
Maybe they're a little stingy on the beef.
We are here at the Mupai Gelato. So every day's flavor is different, and today's menu we selected salted dark chocolate and matcha brownie.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Cheers. A little too milky. Oh, this dark chocolate is nice. Oh, as in, you know the cornetto kind of cones? No. I only want the cornetto kind, where there's chocolate inside. You really eat it? Yeah.
Kali doesn't share food.
Yeah.
You drop it there.
Wait.
Ross, is that you, Ross? Truffle mushroom sourdough pizza. from Waitrose. As always, cauliflowers, eggplant, and spinach egg. Cheers.
Cheers.
There's a lot of harm in trying something new. Sometimes they only get to spin the teacups. See Saul Perlmutter give a lecture about his Nobel Prize-winning work in cosmology, and the best part is at the Q&A. Strength, not to cold cocking with my Bible. All right, Sandy, your turn. Okay. Hey God.
Hey, give me some more, miss.
One more bite. I can take it myself.
I take food, Mom.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Some more here. Mom. No. No.
Wasserman, you're on deck. You. Common man.
Let me see what cheese do they use.
50, but his love will be true.
You know my mom?
Uh-huh.
She only loves the crust.
Oh yeah, you told me. And Pizza Hut. Because they got all the different kind of crust, is it? I know they got the cheesy
Just
crust,
the
standard.
thickest crust.
I've learned something today. You and I.
Doesn't that just mean she
in
likes
so
bread?
many ways,
Yeah.
Other than intelligence and what counts, we're the same.
You told her this.
So she likes it different shape, I guess.
Exposed to a sodium carbonate solution.
Foggy, foggy.
And so it begins. The hike to nowhere.
The 407. Dun, 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 dun,
I
dun.
can't really see anything in front of us. But that dude is just staring at us. I don't know if you guys can hear the other voices. It's the voices of the dead. And I am going to be amongst one of them.
This is not sweat. This is fog.
Whoa, guilty much? There's a doggy coming up. Not sure if I can see it. There we go. Can you see it? Ooh, doggy. You have to play dead when it approaches you.
What? Keep going, mate. This just for your info. No,
What?
it's not sweat, it's fog.
I don't think anyone cares about that. Not sure if you guys can see. It's a little lake. Pretty little place. And then you can't see much up there.
I really like this out of the mountain with climb.
Yeah? I like Quirong.
Is that because more adventure?
Adventurous? That fucking bird won't stop laughing.
We are here at Oink. Let's go. Let's get our tummy some hot food, shall we? Sauce.
So, what do you want?
Homemade chili cheese. You know, sometimes the pork meat have that burnt taste. Not very sure. I'll give it a 6.5
I'll give it a 7.5.
because I want to taste the cheese.
Ah,
There's no cheese. Just getting chocolate sea salt and coffee. Here.
牛排很好。
I don't like the chocolate.
Yeah, it's not
Dark chocolate.
You prefer the coffee or the chocolate?
Coffee. What about you?
I'm as loyal as a dog.
Chocolate. The chocolate, the first taste is a little bit bitter, but the aftertaste is so sweet.
Not sure why it's 4.8 rated.
4.7 here.
I mean, how different can the flavors be? What's it called?
Same.
When you're editing this video, you might see something. Just make sure not to put it. Alright? My good and my new friend Richard recommended me this. This is for you, Richard. Iron Brew.
It's just some sweet drinks.
Yeah.
Cut.